Look at the outside. Eh, tumigil na ulan. Look at the outside. So, ito, pwedeng pagtausan ng mga plane. Pero of course, on the other side. On the other side. Ito, it's like this is what's happening to our society right now. The master manipulator. Ito, mainstay na rin itong art nito dito. Kahit na kailan kayo magpunta na natin. First, this is depicting politics, corruption, kasakiman, and religion. Religion as a the money making, like politics that goes to war. And of course, you know, yung panahon ng era na maraming sumusunod-sunod sa mga leader kahit na mali, parang walang isip, no? Minsan sometimes parang walang isip din ng mga tao. Parang there's always seeking for a leader. Businessman, tycoon, politician, senador, congressman, di ba? Presidente, vice-presidente, barangay captain, mayor. Lahat ay kanya-kanyang dukot, kanya-kanyang kupit. Para sasabihin pa nga, tanga-tanga mo naman, nakapwesto ka na, hindi ka pa yumaman. Ganyan ang gusto ng mga ano eh. This one is about the religion, look. See? We're back